Yep, gonna be a meet. One behind me, see? Westbound, yep. It's 4 on day 2. 4 trains on day 2, how cool. Coming. Eastbound. Chesterton, Indiana, yep. He's coming, I'm starting to see the light. Here, let me... Yep. Comes. It's on the first track too, the westbound's on the second track. Comes. Train 3 and train 4. Unless we get another eastbound, I don't know. The one behind me is really shut off. Oh yeah. Might be 2 eastbounds, I don't know. We'll find out. Yeah, stay still, so we don't lose signal and skips, phone skips. It's coming. Gotta be a fast one. There he is. I hear it, here it comes. 7 o'clock, yep. In the morning, Yeah. There it is. Oh, here it comes. Eastbound. Chesterton, Indiana. He's here about to run. He's coming fast. Phew, there's one right there and one behind me. That's cool. Here it comes. It's like a double stack of mixed fight. I can't tell. It looks like something. The one behind me is mixed fight. That one's mixed fight, I think, too. Here it comes. Animal, double stack. Indiana, USA, yep. Oh. Oh, it's like an auto. Yeah.